Hello, welcome to Grammar with Master. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is one of the confusing tense for non-native speakers. For example, I was driving home from work at 7 o'clock. It was snowing when I left home this morning. We form past continuous like this. I was doing, wasn't doing. We were doing, went doing. You were doing, went doing. They were doing, went doing. He was doing, wasn't doing. She was doing, wasn't doing. It was doing, wasn't doing. We use past continuous for an action or a situation in progress at a particular time in the past. For example, what were you doing at 7 o'clock? I was watching TV. It doesn't mean that B was watching now. B was watching TV at the particular time in the past. Peter was living in Japan in 2001. It means that maybe he lived there from 2000 to 2001. Now he isn't there. Look at another example. When I arrived, he was talking on the phone. We use past simple arrived for the completed action in the past. We use past continuous was talking for the action in progress in the past. We use one and while before the past continuous tense. For example, I met my wife when we were working in the same company. I lost my passport while I was staying in Go Island Hotel. When the electricity cut off, Rita was writing a letter. John wasn't speaking to anyone when I came into the room. I wasn't sleeping when Rob phoned me. Hope you found this video useful to you. Remember to like and share our page. Thank you.